Hello everyone, this is the integrated part. This is the Bluetooth module HC06, soil moisture sensors, water flow sensors and water level sensor. So water level sensor will sense the water level which has been shown in the individual presentation. Water flow sensors will detect the leakage. Soil moisture sensor will detect the moisture level in the soil, and Bluetooth sensor will help us to transfer the sensor data to form a GUI. So let me just upload the integrated code. Takes some time. So in the beginning, the soil moisture sensor is put in a dry cotton strap. So dry cotton strap will represent dry soil. So dry soil should send a signal to the motor to turn on. Once the motor turns on, it should flow through the water sensor all the way back to the plant, which is the cotton strap here. And then once the thing is filled, and the soil is moist, it should send a signal back to the water pump to stop working. So I just uploaded the program, and since the water is now this will start the irrigation process and start filling. We made to represent a practical system. We actually made holes in the pipe to show drip irrigation. So you can see the drip irrigation going on here, and then water level rising here. Once the water level rises, you can see that the cotton strap gets moist. So since this is a 5 ringgit soil sensor, it takes some time to collect data and then send it back to stop the pump. It takes around like 30 seconds, so it has been around 20 seconds or something. So once the data is sent, see the pump stops working. The pump stops working as soon as the data is sent, and the data that the soil is moist and then no excess water is not required, which will affect the plant, is sent. Now the function of this water flow rate sensor is, in the GUI it will show the flow rate between this one and this one, and then if there is a difference between the flow rates, it will show that it will come to a conclusion that there's some leakage between the pipe. So here is just a small pipe. For practical application, this flow rate will be the input of the water pump, and then this will be the output near all the plants. So they'll compare and then measure if there's any water leakage between the pipelines. The water level sensor will be kept on the reservoir at a certain height. Here it will be kept at 24 centimeters. So once the water level in the reservoir goes below a threshold value, let's say 30 centimeter, it will give a signal to the input of the reservoir to start again. Once the level reaches back to 24, which is the threshold value of the threshold or the maximum value available in the reservoir, the signal will be sent back to the water pump to stop filling the reservoir. Now all these data are shown in the GUI, which is shown in a different presentation. This data is also displayed on the LCD screen, but since there has been some technical error or some technical glitch that the LCD screen stopped working, hence none of the data could be displayed on the LCD screen. So that's it from our integrated project. Thank you.